More than 21 million Americans suffer from back pain, sometimes so severe, everyday activities become nearly impossible. In some cases, surgery is the only option, but for the right candidate, there's a new non-invasive program called Lordex that can reduce or eliminate pain without surgery. The patient is fitted with a pelvic harness and a vest, then attached to the Lordex decompression unit, which will gently make a traction movement to relieve the pressure that pinches the nerves.
The way it works is that to create negative pressure inside the disc, to create a vacuum, so to speak, which in turn will tend to suck the herniation just enough so that it takes the pressure off that irritated or the pinched nerve.
For 88-year-old Art Felice, this was the only option. He suffers from low back pain and did not want to undergo surgery. This is his 9th treatment, and he says he already notices improvement.
I can feel it pull in my spine, then it relaxes for a few minutes, for a few seconds, and then it goes back. I can see that it's going to eventually be a success to me.
Ed Whitner suffered 2 herniated discs when a chair collapsed underneath him 1 year ago. He wanted to explore other options besides surgery.
I feel like that I'm making progress, and I definitely feel like this has the potential for permanent results.
Treatments are adjusted as necessary, and most patients require 20 to 30 one-hour sessions to regain normal functional capacity. Each patient is carefully evaluated before being accepted into the program. For more information, log on to KTLA.com and click on News at 10.
This is ABC 7 Los Angeles. Now, Denise Dodor, Rick Romero, and Pablo Pereira with Eyewitness News, Sunday morning.
Attention back pain sufferers, even if you've tried anti-inflammatory drugs, injections, and physical therapy without any results, you may not have to head to the surgery suite just yet. One local woman found a way to get rid of back pain without going under the knife.
The machine will release you. I'm going to pull the pin.
And let the stretching begin. As the cushions separate, the gaps in the spine widen. It may look like torture, but this therapy helped free Carol Boulanger from years of torturous back pain.
Not wanting to move, not wanting to go to work, not wanting to get out of bed, dreading every time I had to move.
An MRI shows 3 herniated discs in the lower back. Carol tried standard conservative treatment, but the pain persisted. Carol was on her way to becoming a surgery candidate. Then she found the Lordex system and chiropractor Dr. Shant Karayan.
The machine very gently and very gradually opens up and takes the load off the nerves here, which are very sensitive.
Decompressing the spine gives damaged discs and nerves a chance to reposition themselves and start the healing process.
The second step is to strengthen and stabilize their lower back muscles through a highly specific engineered machine.
The treatment requires 25 to 30 sessions over the course of 4 to 6 weeks.
What they have to do afterward is to maintain the strength and the stability in their spine.
This is really just the beginning of taking the load off of the spine and realigning things in a better position.
Orthopedic surgeon Dr. Roy Ashford says therapies like this will only work long-term if patients take up an exercise program that maintains and builds back muscles.
If we can put the surgery off for as long as possible, they've actually benefited because they're not going to have any of the complications potentially inherent with surgeries.
Carol does not want surgery. She continues to work on her back strength because she wants the pain to stay away.
I can dance, I'm scuba diving, I can do things I haven't done in years, literally years.
And great ways to strengthen your back are to exercise in the pool or take up Pilates. Each Lordex treatment runs $150 per session. Some insurance companies may cover part of the cost.
Live from NBC4, the Southland's #1 late news. The Channel 4 News at 11.
Well, some good news tonight for people suffering from debilitating back pain. It's a machine called the Lordex that can help some people who would normally require surgery. The device strengthens muscles in the lower back and pulls on the spine, taking pressure off the discs and nerves.
For me, it was a really good alternative for surgery. So for me, it really worked.
My life has changed absolutely dramatically. I can stand up for hours at a time. It gave me my life back.
Those are 2 endorsements, but the Lordex does involve some slight discomfort and requires numerous treatments, and medical experts tell us it does not work on all forms of back pain.